Yo, what is good and what is Gucci, everybody? It's your boy Kill Aesthetics back today with a brand new video. And today, another promised video. Y'all already know it is the Supreme and Nike Zoom Streak Spectrum Plus. How to style these bad boys. I know this is a polarizing shoe, but I got y'all if you're trying to get a fit together with it. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so you already know how we are doing in these type of videos. It is the LCD order, it is the leisure, cold months, and dinner. Not dinner, but dressy. And like always, quick disclaimer, I'm going to dress these up to an extent where they can be taken, because definitely this, you cannot wear this with a Kenneth Cole suit, Banana Republic suit up in here. So I will dress these up as much as I can, so in those formal events or in those dressier situations, you will be ready to go. So without talking too much, let's get into the first one. Alright guys, so like I said, let's get into L, the leisure outfit. And this personally is my favorite outfit because I just like to be chill, and I like how simple and how the colors coordinate in it. So first off, the statement piece, other than the shoes, it is these Mitchell & Ness Swingman Bull shorts. Super fire. Love the fact that they have pockets unlike other basketball shorts. So if you are definitely looking for some dope basketball shorts at an affordable price, definitely check out Mitchell & Ness Swingman shorts. But these are the shorts. And then next up, y'all seen it in the last How to Style. I love these tees and I'm wearing one right now. It is the Carhartt K87 pocket tee in gray. Got this in gray, got these in multiple colors actually, and just super fire. The fit is awesome, and you already know what it is, Carhartt tee. So let's check this fit out. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that fit. That one's definitely my favorite out of the three. Really dope, really simple, really essential, everyday wear kind of fit. Next up we have C, the colder months. And this one, it's hot in Florida right now. It's summer, bro. So to record this for you outside, I was dying. But anything for you guys. So here we have it with the outerwear first. We have this Ralph Lauren lightweight bomber. It's an all black bomber, really dope. Love the side pocket here on the sleeve, make it look super militant, so definitely dope right here. Next up we have this New Jersey Devils Reebok tee with the gray sleeves. Definitely dope. One of my favorite tees that I got from that thrift haul a while back. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. It is in a few videos back. Y'all should find it, thrift haul, whatever. Next up is another PacSun denim, stacked skinny, all black PacSun denim. The fit in these are crazy. Y'all are gonna see on this upcoming clips, but that is the fit. Let's go ahead and check it out. yeah, definitely dope last fit. Really like that one. When it's not hot, you know I'm definitely gonna pull that one out the vault. But last but not least, it is the dressy, and this is probably one of my favorite D's that I ever gotten. Pause, not like that. That I've ever done. The dressy one, definitely really dope. I like it a lot, and the colors just coordinate very well. So first off, the top is another polo sport polo shirt, and definitely has the white collar here. It has some black and red color blocking, as you can see there at the bottom, and just definitely dope. Really like this one. Got it at the thrift as well. And then I have some Jack Threads light wash denim. Y'all should be familiar with these. Use them in a lot of my videos and a lot of on foot. So definitely dope. So let's go ahead and check that fit out. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed all those fits. The first one, Leisure, was definitely my favorite with those bull shorts. Super fire. And hopefully you guys liked the Supreme Nike Zoom Streak Spectrum Plus. I know that's a mouthful, but definitely a dope sneaker. Had to change out those like glittery laces that they have on there. Switch them for the all flat white ones that it comes with. And I definitely like the look a lot better now. Looks a little bit more grown manish. Definitely doesn't look like a Barbie shoe now, so definitely dope. Go ahead and let me know if you guys like these shoes even to begin with. Which one of the styles did you like the most, and if you would even wear these in general. Let me know in the comments down below. And also let me know if you cop this one or the green one. I know a lot of people like this one more than the green one. Personally, I felt like the green one looked like vomit flames, but you know, to each his own. If y'all like it, definitely, hopefully y'all copped it and are rocking it. Let me know if you like this shoe down below. Like I said, don't forget to like this video if you enjoy the content, and like always, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you could be up to date on when I drop some heat. And like always, tell your baby daddies, uncles, grandmas, cousin, nieces about the best men's fashion channel, which is Killa Aesthetics. And until the next one, I'll see y'all out.